Hello friends, today our topic is how Amazon Workmail use AWS. Friends, Amazon Workmail is an email service in the cloud that provides a cost-effective way for your organization to receive and send email and use calendar. So Amazon Workmail supports existing desktop and mobile clients and integrate with your existing corporate directory. So user can leverage their existing credential to sign on their email by using Microsoft Outlook or mobile device or a browser. So it's Workmail console. You can create Amazon Workmail organization and optionally assign to it one or more email domain that you own. So firstly, then you create a new email, an email distribution group. User can then send and receive messages. So firstly, we click on Workmail. And click on add organization and quick step. So here we are specify organization name, any name you want, specify. Then create. So it take a few minutes to for active. So you can see this is active mode. Then we create a user, click on domains and add domain. Here we specify the name of domain. So click on add domain and this is added. So here we have verified domain ownership. Click on Route 53. And here select on link. So friends, here we copy and paste some hostname and values to verify the domain. Paste, create record set, and then here we are paste I text, and here we are copy value and give the value of value. So next step is to finalize domain setup. To switch your domain completely to Amazon Workmail and add the following DNS record to your DNS hosting provider. So we are one by one copy these all commands and paste in here. So next we select CNAME and here we are select the type CNAME and add the value. So here we are added these all records and click on check verification for verification. Then again, so after click on check verification, you can see the our domain is verified. Then create on user, and here we give the name, username, and give any first name, last name, and next. So give any password to your email, and again repeat password for confirmation, and then click on add user. So here you can see display name, and that is enable. So click on organization setting and click on this link. So here we give their first name and password to open Amazon Work Mail. And this is a work email of Amazon. So after login mail work, then we are click on simply email service to verify your mail. Then email addresses, and here we verify new email address, that is info@lango. Click on verify your mail. So here give the email address and close. So here is you can see verified our email. Then this is a verification request, and these are all the inbox. These are all the incoming emails, and it's a outgoing email. So thank you guys for watching this video.